I really like Microsoft Edge. I like it more than Chrome. But the one thing that I hate is when I come over here and I type something in, it's searching Bing. Now I'm really behind Microsoft on a lot of stuff, but I can't get behind Bing. I think it's pretty terrible. So I want to search Google by default. So if I go back to my settings, I can type in search for search engine, and it's going to give me the option search engine used in the address bar. This is my default search engine right here. And I can hit this little drop down and I can change this to Google. I've never met anyone that uses Yandex, so not really sure why they chose that to be a default here. But now when I come over here, I type Syscon into the address bar, it searched Google for me. That was one of the few hurdles that was for switching to Edge, change the default search engine, nice and easy.